Okay, hi Laith. So this is an explanation of factors. Okay, first of all, what are factors? Factors are the numbers that we can multiply to find any answer. Okay, so in this situation, 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 and 3 are the factors. Okay, and 6 is the product. So when someone asks you, if someone gives you a number, let's say the number 12, and they ask you to find the factors of 12. You have to find all of these combinations, all of the numbers that you can multiply to get 12. Okay, let me make 12 dots here just to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, to find the factors of 12, the easiest way is to go through all of the times tables one by one. We know the times tables of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you're pretty smart, so I think you know the times tables of 11 and 12 as well, right? Okay, but anyway, when you have a number, go through each of the times tables one by one. Is 12 part of the 1 times table? Can 1 multiplied by anything give you 12? Think about that. Can 1 times anything give you 12? Yes, 1 times 12 can give you 12, right? We know that any number multiplied by 1 is the same. So 2 of the factors for any number in the world, no matter how big it is, no matter how small it is, are 1 and itself. So let's say factors of 256. One way to get 256 is 1 multiplied by 256. So when they're asking you for factors, your first choice should be 1 and the number itself. Okay? Let me just erase that and make space. Hold on. Erase, erase, erase. Go away. Okay. So now we know that 2 of the factors of 12 are 1 and 12. Okay. Now let's go through the 2 times table. Is there anything 2 times anything which can give you 12? 2 times 6 can give you 12. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Okay? So we finished the 2 times table and the 1 times table. We also finished the 6 times table. Because if 2 times 6 is 12, then 6 times 2 is also 12. Right? So we know that 12 shows up in the 2 times table and the 6 times table. Okay, so we finished checking the 2 times table and the 6 times table. All right, what's next? Next is the 3 times table. Is there anything in the 3 times table which can give you 12? 3 times anything which gives you 12. 3 times 4 gives you 12. So 3 and 4 are both factors of 12. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12 and 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 is in the 3 times table and the 4 times table. We checked both of them. Okay, now what about 5? Can 5 times anything give you 12? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So no, 12 is not in the 5 times table. Okay, so 5 is not a factor of 12. Okay, we already checked the 6 times table. We know it's there. 7 times table. 7 times anything can give you 12. 7 1s are 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So no, it's not in the 7 times table. What about the 8 times table? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So no, it's not in the 8 times table. 9 times table. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Nope, not in the 9 times table. 10 times table. 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, it's not in the 10 times table. 11 times 1 is 11, 11 times 2 is 22, it's not in the 11 times table. And we know 12 times 1 equals 12. We already wrote 1 and 12 here, okay? So we checked all of the times tables. So these 6 numbers are the factors of 12, okay? We can write them in order from least to greatest. I don't know if this is required in grade 4 for you, but anyway, when they ask us to find factors, we usually end up writing them in order from least to greatest. Okay, so these 6 numbers are the factors of 12. So in the question that they gave you, they asked you, it was factors of 16, right? They asked you what kind of groups this person can make. So this dude, if he has 12 toys, he can make one group with 12 toys in it, right? That's one way to arrange his toys. He can make two groups with 6 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or he can make 3 groups with 4 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's still more. We can go backwards. Okay, we can make 4 groups and put 3 toys in each group. We can make 6 groups and put 2 toys in each group. We can make 12 groups and put one toy in each group. So let's take a look at the example from your book. There it was, we were searching for the factors of 16, right? The factors of 16. So we're going to go through the times tables again one by one. So 1 times what gives you 16? 1 times 16 gives you 16. So we have 1 and 16 as factors. What about 2? 2 times what gives you 16? 2 times 8 gives you 16. Okay, so 2 and 8 are factors. What about 3? Does 3 times anything give you 16? 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. So no, 3 is not there. What about 4? 4 times what gives you 16? 4 times 4 gives you 16. Okay, so 4 times 4 is a factor, are factors, but we're not going to write 4 2 times. Or okay, right now you can write 4 times 4 because we're only writing all of the multiplications. When we write them from least to greatest, we're only going to write 4 one time. But when you're writing all of the multiplications, then you can write 4 times 4. Okay, what about 5? 5 times anything? 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. No. 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. Nope. 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Nope. 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay. But we already wrote 8 times 2 here. Okay. Now we can keep going through all the times tables, but basically we started repeating ourselves now, right? 8 times 2, then we'll keep searching, we'll find 16 times 1. Okay, so this is it. These are the 3 multiplications that you can do to get 16. So the factors of 16 are, we'll write them from least to greatest, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Now about the question, they asked how many ways can this dude arrange his toys, right? Was it toys? I think so. Okay, so let's make all of these arrangements. We can do one group with 16 toys in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We can do 2 groups with 8 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We can do 4 groups with 4 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, my groups are so ugly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 times 16. This is 2 times 8. This is 4 times 4. Now we did 1 group, 2 groups, 4 groups. Now we're going to go backwards. So again, we can do 4 groups with 4 in each group. That's the same. No need to repeat it. Okay, then we can do 8 groups with 2 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 toys in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one, we can make 16 groups with 1 toy in each group. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 1 toy in each group. Okay, so these are all the ways he can arrange his toys. So if someone is asking you for the factors of a number, then all you have to do is go through the times tables one by one. Okay, all the way from 1 to 10. Go through all of them and write all of the multiplications you can do. Okay, I hope this is what you were looking for. If you have any more questions, you can ask me. Okay, bye-bye.